All right, so in this question here, we're given two sets A and B, and we're asked to decide whether the following statements are true or false. So real quick, we want to go over the symbols here. So we have this symbol here, which is for subset. So that means everything in it, the first set is contained in the second one, or equal to. Then we have a proper subset. So remember, proper subset means it has to be a subset, but it cannot be equal to it. It can't be equal to the set itself. And then the third symbol we see here is this one here, and that's for an element of. So in this case here, we ask whether or not an object is an element of a set. All right, so let's go through these here. The first one, I have A is a subset of B. So I check to see if everything in A is contained in B. And if I find one of them isn't, I can stop right there. So this one here is going to be false, because right here the element 2 is in A, but it's not in B. So that's a false. Okay. B is a subset of A, so I check B. So 4 is in A, 5 is in A, and 7 is also. So this one will be true. Then we're asked if A is a proper subset of B. Well, if it's not a subset, it can't be a proper subset, so that's false. Is B a proper subset of A? Well, we already determined that B was a subset of A, so now my question is, are they equal to each other? And clearly they're not, because A contains many more elements that are in the set B. So yes, it is also proper. Now the last one is a little bit tricky, because students will ask, well, what does it mean for B to be an element of A? Remember, this here is a set, so our sets look like, it's got numbers in it, 4, 5, and 6, or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can't really talk about a set of this type being an element of another set. So this one here is going to be false. And it really doesn't matter if you talk about, B and A or whatever else. The point is I've got a set, and it's not going to be an element of another set. The only way that can happen is you happen to have a set of sets, and we're not going to do anything like that. So again, I think for the first few, what you need to do is, the difference between a subset and a proper subset is whether or not they're equal to each other. And again, make sure the notation is appropriate for what you're looking at. If you're comparing two sets, or if you're looking at an object and asking whether or not it belongs to a set. All right, let me know if you still have questions on this.